Ready to outsmart your math homework? I've got the tricks you need. Hey there, math whizzes in the making. Today, we're unwrapping some simple yet mind-blowing math tips and tricks that will make you go, why didn't I know this before? First up, the magic of the 9 times table. Just use your fingers, hold out both hands. For 9 times 3, fold down your third finger. You've got 2 fingers up on one side and 7 on the other. That's 27. Easy peasy, right? Next, dividing by 5. Instead of fretting, just double the number and move the decimal. For example, 68 divided by 5. Double 68 to get 136 and move the decimal one place to the left. Voila, 13.6. Now let's talk squares. Want to square a number ending in 5? Multiply the first digit by itself plus 1 and stick on 25. So, 25 squared, 2 times 3 is 6, add 25 and you get 625. Mind blown yet? Finally, the rule of 72. This one is great for quick math and finance. Divide 72 by your interest rate to see how long it takes to double your money. At 8% interest, 72 divided by 8 is 9 years. Cha-ching! That's it, folks. With these tricks, you'll be the math wizard of your class. So go ahead, show off those skills, and make math your superpower. Until next time, keep rocking those numbers.